Hey, tell of my family, welcome back to our series that we like to call What Inspired This Motion. So today I'm gonna share with you guys another motion that I created, and I'm gonna share with you guys what inspired this motion, all right? So back in the day, this motion was actually, for me, it felt like a more advanced motion. Nowadays, it's actually a very common motion we see in a lot of people's routines. So for me, when I see it, I feel so proud and feel blessed that, a lot of people are doing this motion. So I'm gonna share with you guys this motion. Let's see if you guys seen this motion before, all right? This is the motion right here. Hoop, sa. Yeah, that's it. That's the motion right there.
Huh?
Hoop. Then I used to go under the legs.
Okay.
Bah,
Fatality.
and then nice and strong like that. So this is the motion right here, catching the knives together just like that. And what inspired the motion was actually the only 3 in a row World Fire Knife Champion, 3-time in a row World Fire Knife Champion, Ifiso. So how the move was inspired was after Ifiso finishes his single knife, throws out a single knife. Now when it's time for his doubles, he used to have the guy throw out one knife, then he come back, they throw out the second knife, and he'll catch it in one hand, both knives in one hand. So in my head, I was like, man, imagine if that was in the middle of the routine, like while the knives are spinning, and you just catch both of the knives in one hand. That's how the move came about. So family, if you guys enjoy that, you guys want to see more of what inspired this motion, please don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that follow, hit that like, hit that share, do all the buttons that you want to press in the whole world. Hit those buttons. Don't forget to practice, and let's get stronger together, family. Let's go. Choo-hoo! Wow!